Hello, my friend. Welcome back to Speak Easy English. I am David. Today, we have a very special lesson. We're going to talk about a big moment in life. We're going to talk about the first job. I will speak slowly and clearly. You can listen, learn, and practice speaking with me. Are you ready? Let's begin. Sarah is 18 years old. She finished high school last year. Now, she wants to earn some money. She wants to help her family. She also wants to buy things for herself. But she needs a job. Sarah looks for a job. She looks online. She looks in the newspaper. She asks her friends. One day, she sees a sign in a coffee shop window. The sign says, "Help wanted. Part-time. No experience needed." Sarah feels excited. This could be her first job. The coffee shop is called Sunrise Coffee. It is a small shop near Sarah's house. She can walk there in 10 minutes. Sarah takes a deep breath. She opens the door. She goes inside. The shop smells like coffee and fresh bread. It is warm and friendly. Sarah walks to the counter. A woman is standing there. The woman has short brown hair and a kind smile. Her name is Maria. Maria owns the coffee shop. Sarah says, "Hello, I am here for the job." Maria says, "Nice to meet you. Have you worked in a coffee shop before?" Sarah says, "No, this will be my first job." Maria smiles. She says that is okay. Everyone starts somewhere. Maria asks Sarah a few questions. Can you wake up early? Sarah says, yes. Can you stand for many hours? Sarah says, yes. Can you be friendly to customers? Sarah says, yes, I like talking to people. Maria says, good. You can start on Monday. Sarah is so happy. She walks home with a big smile. She cannot wait to tell her family. Monday comes fast. Sarah wakes up at 5:30 in the morning. The sun is not up yet. It is still dark outside. She washes her face. She brushes her teeth. She puts on clean black pants and a white shirt. Maria gave her a green apron. The apron has the coffee shop name on it. Sarah puts the apron on. She looks at herself in the mirror. She looks like a real worker. Sarah walks to the coffee shop. The air is cold. She sees the lights of the shop from far away. She feels a little nervous. Her stomach feels funny, but she tells herself, "You can do this. It is just coffee." She arrives at 6 a.m. Maria is already there. Maria shows Sarah around. This is the coffee machine. This is the refrigerator. This is where we keep the cups. This is where we keep the milk. Sarah listens carefully. She wants to remember everything. Maria says, "Today, you will learn how to make simple coffee. You will also learn how to clean the tables. And you will learn how to take orders." Sarah nods. She is ready to learn. The first customer comes at 6:30 a.m. He is an old man with a gray hat. He walks slowly to the counter. He says, "Good morning. A small black coffee, please." Sarah looks at Maria. Maria nods. Sarah says, "Okay. One small black coffee." Her voice is quiet. She is nervous. Sarah goes to the coffee machine. She puts a cup under the machine. She presses a button. The coffee comes out hot and dark. She puts a lid on the cup. She gives it to the man. She says, "Here you are. Have a nice day." The man smiles. He gives her $2. He says, "Thank you, young lady." Sarah feels proud. She did it. Her first coffee. But the morning gets busy. Many people come. Some want hot coffee. Some want iced coffee. Some want tea. Some want milk with sugar. Sarah makes mistakes. She spills milk on the counter. She forgets to put sugar in one coffee. A customer waits too long. He looks angry. Sarah feels bad. She says, "I am sorry. I am new." The man says nothing. He takes his coffee and leaves. Sarah's eyes feel wet. She wants to cry, but Maria comes to her. Maria says, "Do not worry. Everyone makes mistakes. You're learning. Tomorrow you will be better." Sarah takes a deep breath. She cleans the counter. She tries again. By noon, Sarah is tired. Her feet hurt. Her back hurts. She has been standing for 6 hours, but she also feels happy. She helped many people. She made coffee. She learned new things. Maria gives her a free sandwich and a cup of tea. Sarah sits down. She eats slowly. She thinks about the morning. The next day, Sarah comes again. She is less nervous. She remembers where things are. She knows how to make coffee faster. A customer says, "You're new here, right?" Sarah says, "Yes. This is my second day." The customer says, "You're doing a good job." Sarah smiles. That makes her feel warm inside. 1 week passes, then 2 weeks. Sarah gets better every day. She learns the names of regular customers. There's Mr. Lee, who always wants extra sugar. There's Mrs. Green, who wants her coffee very hot. There is Tom, a young man who always says good morning with a big smile. Sarah likes talking to them. She feels like part of a family. At the end of the first month, Maria gives Sarah an envelope. Sarah opens it. Inside is money. Her first salary. She looks at the money. She feels so proud. She earned this money. She worked for it. She walks home slowly. She thinks about what to do with the money. She will give some to her mother. She will save some, and she will buy herself a small gift. Sarah learns many things from her first job. She learns to wake up early. She learns to be patient. She learns to clean up mistakes. She learns to be kind to people, even when she is tired. She learns that work is not always fun, but work gives her a feeling of being useful, a feeling of growing up. Now, Sarah is not afraid of new jobs. She knows she can learn. She knows she can try. And she knows that every expert was once a beginner, just like her. Now let us practice speaking. I will say a short sentence. Then you will repeat the sentence. There will be a pause. Use the pause to speak. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Do not rush. Ready? Let's begin. She wants a job. She sees a sign in a coffee shop. The coffee shop is called Sunrise Coffee. A woman named Maria owns the shop. Maria asks Sarah questions. Sarah says yes to all the questions. Maria gives Sarah the job. She puts on a green apron. She walks to the coffee shop. She feels nervous. Sarah makes the coffee. The customer smiles. Sarah feels proud. Sarah makes mistakes. Maria says, "Do not worry." Sarah tries again. After 1 month, Sarah gets her salary. She feels happy and proud. Sarah learns to be patient. She learns to be kind. Every expert was once a beginner. She knows she can try. Excellent. You did a great job. Your speaking is getting stronger every day. Now, let's try something a little different. Now, I will tell you the key parts of the story again, but this time I will speak a little faster. Not very fast, just more natural. Do not repeat. Just listen. Listen to how the words connect. Listen to the rhythm. Close your eyes if that helps. Here we go. Sarah is 18 years old and wants her first job. She sees a sign at Sunrise Coffee. Maria, the owner, gives her a chance. Sarah wakes up early at 5:30 a.m. She puts on her green apron and walks to work. Her first customer wants black coffee. She makes it and feels proud. But she also makes mistakes. She spills milk. She forgets sugar. Maria tells her not to worry. Sarah keeps trying. Every day, she gets better. After 1 month, she gets her first salary. She feels happy and proud. Sarah learns that work is not always easy, but she learns to be patient, kind, and strong. She learns that every expert was once a beginner. Did you hear the difference? The words are the same, but the speed is a little faster. That is how people speak in real life. Listen to this part again if you need to. You can replay the video. That is how you train your ear. You did a wonderful job today. You listened, you repeated, and you learned many new words about work and daily life. Remember, every first day is a little bit scary, but it is also a beautiful way to grow. Thank you for spending time with me, David, here on Speak Easy English. If you like this story, please click the like button. It helps other English learners find our lessons. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next story. Also, please share this video with a friend who is learning English. Sharing is a great way to help others. Tell me in the comments, what was your first job? Or what is your dream job? I love reading your comments. Keep practicing every day. You're doing great. See you in the next lesson.